In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete photos from Google Photos on your iPhone. Let's make this simple and stress-free. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your iPhone. If you haven't used it recently, take a second to confirm you're signed into the right Google account, the one that actually holds the photos you want to remove. Give the app a moment to refresh so everything is up to date and synced. Now look along the bottom of the screen and tap the Photos tab. This view shows your images in chronological order, which makes it easy to scroll through and quickly spot what you want to delete. If it helps, you can zoom in or out to adjust the size of the thumbnails so you can see more details or scan faster through your library. When you're ready to choose what to remove, tap and hold the first photo you want to delete. After a brief press, you'll enter selection mode and a check mark will appear on that photo. While you're in this mode, you can simply tap other photos to add them to your selection. Keep an eye on the count at the top of the screen. This is a handy way to make sure you're selecting exactly what you intend, especially when you're cleaning up in bulk. With your selections made, look at the bottom and tap the trash option. You'll see the trash can icon to confirm you're in the right place. A prompt will pop up to double check that you really want to remove these items. To complete the action, tap Move to Trash. The selected photos will be moved to the trash area within Google Photos. They aren't permanently gone yet, which is helpful if you change your mind. Typically, items stay in trash for a limited period, often up to 60 days, before they're automatically deleted forever. During that window, you can open the trash section in Google Photos and restore anything you didn't mean to remove. Keep in mind, if backup and sync is on, deleting here removes the items from your Google Photos library across devices that use the same account. And that's it. Open Google Photos, tap Photos, select by tapping and holding, choose Trash, and confirm with Move to Trash. Before you wrap up, take a quick moment to review your selections and make sure nothing important slipped in. If your goal is to free up space, consider starting with screenshots, duplicate shots, or blurry images. Those are easy wins without losing meaningful memories. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to confidently delete photos in Google Photos on your iPhone.